Meet Haru, a cheerful, 6-year-old Japanese boy, with a big smile and an even bigger heart. Today is a very special day. It's Haru's first day of first grade, and he couldn't be more excited. With his brand new backpack and neatly packed lunch, Haru walks to school with a bounce in his step. He dreams about all the new friends he'll make, and all the fun stories he'll bring home to tell his family. It's Haru's first day of first grade. He wakes up early, says his morning prayers, folds his blanket, and makes his bed. In Japan, children learn to take care of their space. After breakfast, Haru took a bath and brushes his teeth. He checks his school bag. Everything in its place, he says. Being prepared is part of being responsible. At the school gate, Haru bows and greets his teacher, "Ohayo gozaimasu." Good morning. Showing respect is very important in Japan. In the classroom, Haru finds his name on a desk. Each student has their own job. Today, Haru is the blackboard monitor. Students help care for their class every day. After math and reading, it's recess. He met new friends Mei and Mizuki. They had lunch together. After lunch, Haru leads a song during music class. He shares his favorite story during reading time. Everyone takes turns and listens with respect. Before going home, the teacher claps her hands. It's cleanup time. Haru sweeps the floor with his new friends. At home, Haru tells his family everything he learned. "I helped clean, show respect, and be kind to others." His mom smiles. "You're learning to be a great person."